Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 8 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So let me tap on this first option, and as you can see, we have to tap on off and the date and the time will be active. So let's tap on the date, and just by swiping we can change it. Tap on OK, it will be immediately applied, and the same situation with the time, just by swiping and tap on OK. Of course, it will immediately appear on the status bar. The same situation with the time format, just turn off this option, and now we can manually decide whether we want to use the 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or 24-hour one. So simply tap on the switcher to apply it. And the time zone, we can just turn off this option and tap on select the time zone. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it, like this one. It will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. So this is basically the whole manual customization of the date and time. You can always go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers here, and at the top choosing either network provided time or GPS provided time. Just tap on the option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.